Hey, how's it going, guys? Time for today's YouTube recap. Really good day today. Not the biggest range, but pretty good plays that a lot of members were able to take advantage of. So, before getting into today's intraday price action, I'm just going to go over the daily plan, right? What made up of it, all the annotations. I posted on StockTwits and here on YouTube on the community tab. I'm just going to go over it through StockTwits as it's easier for me to pull up. So, like that. And beginning the morning, as I always do, is on the overnight TPO. This is a TPO chart. If you're unfamiliar with it, each one of these is a market profile. Things that we could take by looking at the tops, bottoms, the shapes of each market profile for each session, where the value area high is, value area low, point of control is, a whole bunch of things. Are we making balance? Are we trading within it, out of it? Do we have structure to clean? Are we currently cleaning structure? There's so many things that we could take from this, and although it does look intimidating when it's foreign to you, it's really easy to learn. And once you do learn it, it's you just take like a glance at it, and you know exactly what you need to know from it. From there, I go to my 4-hour chart. Right, this is a footprint chart. If you're unfamiliar with this, I have a quick video on how my specific footprint charts are configured. It's pinned to the home of the YouTube channel. So every morning in the room, I'll send a super annotated, as you can see here, screenshot of the footprint to our daily plan room, and it just shows what I'm reading in the order flow. Now, if you maybe are a consistent trader already, not looking for another room, but want to base my readings off of yours, make sure we're seeing the same thing, you can now go to the site, and there's a different option if you don't want to be part of the room, but do want to see what I'm reading, not only from the footprint, from the TPO as well. You could go to the site and do that. My website the link will be in the description. But so from there, I go to my daily chart, and it's just the same thing, right? I'm looking at the order flow and seeing, um, what do I have here? Where large time frame participants are located. Do we have substantial bid or offer in the market? Do we have someone who's aggressive on the tape? Are they trying to walk a bid up, walk an offer down? Are they jumping up or down on the tape? Where are trapped participants? Where is their liquidity? Why is there liquidity there? All things that we could take from our footprint charts. Also, for a limited time now, we have my personal thank you to everyone who's been subscribing here on the YouTube. It does mean a lot on YouTube. We hit 200 subscribers this week, so for a limited time, as I said, if you use the code sub200, you'll get $45 off your first month in the room. Thank you for your support. Didn't realize I goofed that, but it doesn't matter. So this was the daily plan, right? So as of right now, it is 11:52 market time. This cautious buy zone is the low of day as of right now, and this is where we had 4 members take advantage. So I posted here now 13 points from buy zone. Here is 1 member's execution. We had someone take a trade here, and then it was 3. We had someone else take a trade here, and then a 4th person. So a lot of people were able to get their trades off. Not only do I teach, we have an introductory series of the footprint, TPO, market auction theory, the market logic I personally use, but we also have trading psychological videos, trade management, risk management, a whole bunch of videos in our video library to help traders with this types of stuff, as well as my personal criteria for my executions, right? I don't only use 4 hours in dailies, I also use 30 minutes, even 5-minute charts, footprint charts, and I do like clean candlesticks. I'll use a clean 1-minute candlestick, and there's things that I look for my entries. So today's intraday price action, we could see from this 4-hour closes at or after the initial 30 minutes. So we close over here, and as of right now, we got a relatively small range. Could see this better on the 30-minute. So, oh goodness. This is the day so far. One might look at this and be like, oh, this is so choppy. But there's a lot of opportunity here if you know how to play it, and where to play it more specifically. So simply, we can look here, and what do we see from this 30-minute? We have a whole chunk of volume in this open 30 right here. What happens? We come below, take below this high volume area, provide a nice long, and then in this candle, again, we run these lows, got a nice buying imbalance, zero print. Zero prints we've talked about a lot on the YouTube channel over here. And zero print means complete exhaustion. No one else is willing to transact over here. We're going to go up, nice buying imbalance, and we could see a revisit here of this buy zone with not complete exhaustion, but we do have exhaustion at the lows, right? Less than 200 contracts traded, 400 contracts traded over here compared to 5,000, 4,900, almost 3,000, 2,500. That's exhaustion. So yeah, simple things that we could use even on our 30-minute, and going down we could even refine it even more to pinpoint our entries on our smaller time frames. So hope everyone had a green day today. If you did trade, it's Friday. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday in the next market recap.